Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ezinne-Speaks tour. So today I am taking you to the biggest car parts market in Enugu state, in the east. No, it cannot be in the east though. It's in Enugu state, yes, and I'm taking you to where we call the coal camp. So that is where you get any kind of car spare parts and car repairs in Enugu. So just join me on this ride. I am going from Abani. So I'll take you through the process. I hope this is the kind of video you would love to watch as I am taking you touring in Enugu State. Just keep watching. Thank you. So you basically get to this place from where I'm going to with 3 transports. You take one bus from Abani to Amechi bus stop, and then another from Amechi bus stop to camp. So yes, I'm going to show you how that works. So just follow me as I take a ride to Coal Camp, Enugu. So there's a bus stopping already. So let's go. Amechi, Egone. sure you enjoyed the ride to Coal Camp. Oh, sorry, I had to set my camera. So this is the end of it. Filming in places like this can be disastrous because a lot of people might not understand what you're doing. Some persons feel you want to video them and take it out and all that. So even when you're making some of these videos, you have to be extremely discreet about it. So yes, that is Coal Camp. They sell, it is a business hub for automobile activities, repairs, sales, and it's also a residential area. Like I'm just walking up to my friend's house now. So it's also a residential area for some persons. Yeah, sorry, I'm panting because I'm climbing the hill. So that is that. Let's go camp down there. See you next time. Bye.